My name is Kong Chun Cheng. I would like to present our project assignment, Bus App 1.0 Extract. This application's innovation is aimed at helping students of the University Malaysia Kelantan to use their bus service in better way. One of the functions of this application is to help students to know when the bus will arrive. Any changes to the bus arrival time may also be adapted by this application. So there will be no issue of students not knowing when the bus will arrive. In addition, this app can also help students to find out if the bus is full. The students then can inform the bus management staff that they still need the bus service. Now we go to 2.0 background. Our project innovation is app bus that helps students to catch up their bus. This is because the movement of bus always unpredictable bus movements due to various obstacles such as accidents and traffic jam. Students are late for their classes because they're still waiting for bus. Instead, order a Grab that will cost a lot of money. This app will show an arrival time of the bus and it will reduce the anxiety of students waiting for bus. This app can help students to solve their problem by track the locations of buses in real time and use this information to prediction of bus arrival at stop along the road. When this information is known by students, they can spend their time wisely and reach at bus stop just before the bus arrives. In addition, this app is using a hybrid application technology. Hybrid application technology is a software that combines with elements of native apps and web applications. Native app is a software program that is developed for use on a particular platform or device, while web application is application program that is stored on a remote server, and web application is a software apps that run on a remote server. Web browsers are used to access web application over a network. Hybrid apps are essentially web apps that have been put in a native app cell. Once they downloaded this app from the App Store, the cell is able to connect to whatever capabilities that mobile platform prove through a browser that embedded in the apps. This hybrid will work on different operating systems like Android, iOS, Windows, and phone. Furthermore, this app will enable to obtain GPS data from bus location using mobile GPS from bus. This app can download at App Store such as Apple App Store, Google Play, BlackBerry App World, and Windows Phone Marketplace. Now we go to 3.0 problem statement. Students often miss bus because they do not know when the bus has arrived. Sometimes students are unaware that bus arrival times are changing. Students are also unable to get into the bus because the bus already full and they have to wait for another bus. The bus driver also had problems such as not knowing that there are some students still need to use the bus service. This caused them to be warned by their superior for not carrying out the task of sending students home. 4.0 Model. The bus app uses GPS to determine the location of the bus on the running road. The patch is automatically updated every 30 seconds so that users can get the latest information. Students can see how each bus travels along the road and can know when the bus arrives. In this app, passengers can see the bus arrival time. Once the vehicle is late, this app still sends a notification reminder. In addition, the app will show how many passengers are on the bus. If the bus is full, students can use the apps to notify the bus driver that bus service is still required. Students can register with their student ID numbers and then log in using their username and password. Students can choose which bus stop to pick up on the apps and press OK. Then the apps will show when the bus will arrive. The application will provide students with real-time bus location information and the time information required for the bus to the bus stop. 5.0 Discussion. In this study, it is related innovation that refer to an application created to know about the actual situation of a bus journey. We are often aware that, as a student, they are essentially busy in managing personnel until often miss a bus. With the application, they can locate the bus position as well as the number of passengers who did the bus. This way, able to reduce their time to wait for a bus in a long period. In this context, the issue of buses by students can be reduced and can enhance their living standard by using this technology as the basis of support. Hence, students can manage their time and plan their journey wisely and effectively. 6.0 Expected Contribution. The first contribution is save time. UMK students can download this app and use it to check when the bus will arrive at the bus stop. UMK students can also use this app to check the destination of each bus and then decide which bus to take. With this, UMK students can manage their time and plan their journey wisely and effectively. They can spend their time wisely and reach a bus stop just before the bus arrives. UMK students can go to eat a meal or take a break in dormitory before taking the bus at the bus station. This way, they don't have to hurry to catch the bus every time. Through this application, the phenomenon of students being late for classes is greatly reduced. Besides that, the second contribution is reducing the anxiety of students. This is because people are prone to anxiety while waiting, especially you don't know how long to wait. When people are anxious, their mood will get worse and affect what they will do next. This has an impact on UMK students because anxiety can affect their inability to complete the assignment that the professor gave them. So this bus app can solve this anxiety problem of UMK students. UMK students can use this app to determine when the bus will arrive and ensure that they will not miss the bus while doing other things. It will reduce the anxiety of students while waiting for the bus. The third contribution is to reduce the conflict of understanding between student and bus manager. UMK students often cannot return to their dorms or rush to the classroom because they cannot catch the bus. This leads to student dissatisfaction and complaints to the school bus driver. The bus driver did not know that some students still need to use the bus service. This leads them to be warned by their superior. So we create this bus app to solve this problem. UMK students can notify the bus driver through the bus app that they still need bus service. The bus driver can receive requests from students who need bus service through the bus app. This will reduce the conflict of understanding between students and the bus administration. In addition, students can use the bus app to check the number of passengers on each bus. If the bus is full, the bus app will notify the student early.